Hi students. Many of you were in class on Monday or Tuesday and you've had a chance to see my Canvas course, but some of you weren't in class and so you haven't seen Canvas yet. So this is the home page for my Canvas class. And Canvas is a lot like Google Classroom, but it has more features and it's maybe a little bit more complicated to use. So let me show you something about it. If you were already in class with me before, this is going to be a little bit of a review. But it's good for you to see it again and listen again so that you'll understand how to use Canvas. On this home page, there are some important buttons. The Syllabus button, Assignments, Contact Mr. Smith, Technology Help. You can click those when you need to read those things. There are also Google Meet links here, so every time you want to come to class, you can log on to Canvas and click this link for the class period that you're in to get to my class. I also put those links in Google Classroom. I won't be using Google Classroom very much this year, but if you want to go to Google Classroom and find the links to get into the class, you can do that. There's also a link here for my office hours. Office hours are hours or times after school when students can come and meet teachers in a Google Meet, just like you would go into a teacher's classroom to get help after school. Since we're not in the school, you can meet us in a Google Meet if you need help after school, and that's what office hours are for. All right, let's talk about the syllabus. If you wanted to, you could click this button called Syllabus, but also in this menu over here on the left side, I have a lot of words in my menu that you maybe don't, but you have some of these things. And you could click the button that says Syllabus or click the link for Syllabus, and it'll take you right here to my syllabus. And a syllabus, it explains right here, is a document that tells you what to expect out of the class and all the things that you need to know to be successful. So syllabus just tells you what you got to know so that you can successfully get through the class. I won't go through the whole syllabus, but I want you to see the different sections. It says what you will learn, and you can read about that there. Here's materials. These are the materials that you need to have for my class. So when you come to class meeting in Google Meet, you need to make sure you have these things, a notebook and a pencil. I want you to have a math notebook. That means a notebook that you're just going to use for math class. If you need to go to Target or Walmart, please go get one. We're going to start using that probably next week. You also need to have your Chromebook, of course. It would be good if you had earbuds or headphones, and also a cell phone, because a cell phone can be used as a calculator. You can read about the attendance policy here. The main point is that I'd like you to try to be on time and also on camera. That means keep your camera on while you're in class. The grading policy is right here. It tells you all that you need to know about how to get good grades in my class, assignments, tests and quizzes, and participation. Those are the categories for getting points, earning points for your grade. There's a late work policy that you can read. There's citizenship down here. Citizenship we talked about in class, and that has to do with your behavior, treating others the way they ought to be treated. And so I'd like you to read all about that. And here's a reminder of our school slogan, ROARS: respectful, organized, achiever, responsible, and safe. And down at the bottom, you can see contact information. You're going to take a quiz next about this syllabus. So what I'm going to do is have you take the quiz, but it's like an open note quiz. You can go back to the syllabus and look for the answers while you're taking the quiz. So how will you get to the quiz? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to click Assignments over here in the menu on the left side. So when you click Assignments, you'll see at the top of the list, Quiz, Mr. Smith's syllabus. And you can click that, take the quiz, and submit it when you're done. When you're finished with that, we'll all move on to the next part of our lesson. So what I want you to do is I want you to take a little time first to read over the syllabus by yourself. Go back to the syllabus, read it, then go to assignments and click the quiz. Good luck.